Oh my god, Neil Patel linking to my article? Last night I was doing some research about LinkedIn, on how to increase engagement on LinkedIn itself. So I was checking out what other people were writing about this particular topic. And I found Neil Patel's website, a website that I go to quite often because Neil Patel is one of the top marketers around. He's a marketing guru, and he has this great blog, this website full of marketing nuggets of gold. And I saw this particular article, how to increase your post views, LinkedIn post views in a single day. So I was reading this article, it's really long, it's reading, and I saw this particular link that says how to create a viral LinkedIn post. So I clicked on this link. Guess what? It was linked to my article. Oh, I was really excited and didn't quite believe it at first. So I clicked back on the browser. I click on the link again just to double check that my eyes was seeing something real. And it was really my article. I was really delighted. Imagine, one of your articles being linked to one of the top marketing gurus around. Isn't that very exciting? It's sort of like a testament of the quality of the post that I put up. Because that article was about one of these LinkedIn post updates I wrote last year that gone really viral. So I was sharing my experience, sharing screenshots on this topic that I was really excited about. If you want to be like Neil Patel and learn from one of the best, click on the link below and read more about my article that I wrote last year that went viral. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and follow me for more marketing and LinkedIn trends, plus tips and tricks. See you next time.